Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best John Deere mower deck parts available on the market. The GX24864 GX21718 Deck Lift Hanger Rod Kit by Huthbrother. If you're looking to upgrade or replace parts on your John Deere mower, this kit might just be what you need. Stick around as we break down what makes this product stand out. This kit comes packed with everything you need to ensure smooth operation of your mower's deck lift system. It includes 2 trunnions, 2 rods, bolts, 2 nuts, 2 washers, and 2 spring locking pins. Whether you're maintaining a residential lawn or tackling larger properties, these components are designed to meet the demands of various John Deere models. What sets this kit apart is its compatibility. It fits a wide range of John Deere models, including the L-Series, D-Series, E-Series, and more. From the L130 to the E130, these parts are engineered to OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Installation is straightforward, even for DIY enthusiasts. Each component is crafted with durability in mind, featuring high-quality materials that stand up to the rigors of lawn care season after season. Plus, with straightforward instructions, you can have your mower up and running in no time. Now, let's hear what some users have to say about this kit. Users consistently praise the solid construction and the ease of installation. Many have noted significant improvements in the smoothness and reliability of their mower's deck lift operation after upgrading to these parts. To sum it up, the GX24864 GX21718 Deck Lift Hanger Rod Kit by Huthbrother is a top choice for John Deere mower owners looking to maintain peak performance. Its comprehensive compatibility and robust build quality make it a favorite among users who rely on their mowers day in and day out. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tips. Have questions or want to share your experience with this kit? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy mowing!